my channel. It feels so good to be back home in my regular environment, back to my regularly scheduled program. I know some of you guys were looking forward to seeing more wig videos. I did a great deal of vlogs while away. I think I did maybe like 5 or 6. I was really trying to get them up for y'all. I allowed myself maybe 3 days to just enjoy my trip, record and everything, not edit or anything. And then after 3 days, I was like, man, I have separation issues. Like, I really like pouring into my channel. So I was like, I gotta start editing again. And it was so fun. Just in my free time, I just edit the videos that we have recorded. And I'm so glad I was able to get all of those up for y'all before having to now get back into wig mode. But my sister is coming. She actually comes today. I'm not sure how soon we'll record a video to showcase on my channel, but we're going to be doing some videos together. Next week is my birthday, so I'm hoping to also vlog that. So you guys will still see some vlogs infused in different things that I'm doing on my channel. But I am trying to be more mindful of those who like the vlog style videos versus those who like hair. I try to give a variety, and I hope you all can appreciate that. So today's video is going to be an awesome video. I'm going to be showcasing a new brand by the name of Yolissa hair. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is their brand name and logo on the box. And this is a really affordable company, so I'm sure y'all are gonna appreciate the price range. This unit is in length 18 and it's 154, I believe. And I got it in 180% density, so that's really cool. At 150% density, I believe it was like 154, and then going up to 180, it was maybe like $3 more. It wasn't a really extreme price jump, so that's really cool. So their hair is very affordable. It's human hair, and we got a straighter texture. Y'all know I had my braids in for like a week, and that's probably the longest that I've had like a style in for a while, because y'all know I have my styles in and out. I love wigs so much because they give me that flexibility to be able to put it on, create a really nice style, and take it off at night. With braids, twists, things like that, it's too much commitment for me because my scalp starts to itch like really fast. And with those braids, y'all, my scalp was on fire when I got home. I literally, the night of, started working on getting those braids out. So this is what the hair looks like. It's really silky. Oh, that's nice. And guys, the cool thing about this particular unit is that it does have transparent lace. And with transparent lace, it's going to be that clear lace that doesn't really have a color. So you can opt to do medium brown lace, but I opted for the transparent. So there's medium brown, and then there's the option for transparent. So this is going to give you a little more room for error. It's also going to be very beginner friendly. So if you're somebody who is not really accustomed to working with different lace colors and things like that, having a clear base is going to be great for you because you can actually customize it the way that you desire. You can just do so much more with this. And transparent lace is also very good for different types of skin tones. So it's not that you're locked into a darker color lace or a lighter color, which is really not going to truly reflect your scalp color. But transparent lace allows for that versatility across different colors of skin tones, which is great. And I always use the airbrush leg spray. This is something that I rave about. It's such a great hack. So I typically use this airbrush spray. Now I am showing you deep glow, but I also have medium glow. Now your girl got a little darker during vacation, so I'm not sure which one is going to be best suited for my scalp now. I don't know if I'm gonna have to go with this one or this one. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm definitely darker. I showed my sister, I was FaceTiming my sister, I was like, girl, I'm like maybe 2 or 3 shades darker. And she's like, I can't tell. Yeah, you can tell under my shirt because like it's lighter in some areas from having on my bathing suit and other areas that were covered. It's like, that's lighter. So we're gonna see which one works. I may still be able to use the medium glow, but I don't know. So I'm gonna put the unit on my mannequin head so you all can see what it looks like. All right, so as you all can see, the unit does come with some baby hair, and it is pre-plucked. It does look like I need to do a little bit of work to customize it a little more, so I am gonna tweeze it. But they started us off fairly well. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, so you're gonna get 4 inches of parting space from ear to ear. And it actually does give you that same length of parting space along the sides. Some brands cut you a little short on the sides, but this one's pretty consistent throughout. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually customize the lace. I think I'm still gonna just stick with the medium glow just to be on the safe side. I'll start with the lighter color, and then if I need to customize it more, I'll just spray the darker color over it, and that should work. So as you can see, that gave you the color that you need. So for those who have not used the Sally Hansen, this is going to be a quick way to tint your lace to create a customized look based on the color of your skin. So now you can see a bit more the work that was done to the hairline and everything. So I'm going to go in and tweeze the hairline and cut the lace off, and then I'll begin installing the unit.
Nothing by lago. Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Girl, you said you always. Pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, call it.
I think I'm gonna actually do a side part rather than a middle part, because as you all can see, because of my hairline, I do have some peeking out, and I'm showing you all how to just create baby hair to cover that area, but I think I'm gonna go for a side part.
Call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate me. You still running and I'm chasing. Yeah, I don't know, I can't explain it. So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over? Ooh, girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, wanna roll up on ya. Say, can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya?
Now this is what the hair is looking like prior to actually flat ironing or anything, and I'm not even certain that I really need to flat iron it. I feel like the way that it comes right out of the package looks really nice, but I do want to see how it responds to heat.
Call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it.
Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I love how it turned out. The quality and texture of this hair is so beautiful, and look at the natural luster and sheen. It is absolutely stunning. I actually didn't even put anything on the hair except for the mousse that I showed you guys earlier. I did spray on the Sebastian Shaper Plus holding spray just at the top to keep the flyaways down. I did start with the flyaway tamer, so if you have one of those, you can use that as well, or just spray a holding spray and you can get your flyaways to lay really flat at the top. So I did that, and also flat ironed the hair. It took very well to heat. I don't have any tangling or anything. This hair just feels amazing, and I can't even believe it feels like this, in that it was only $150. So yeah, guys, love everything about this hair. It does seem to be a bit layered in the front as well to kind of frame your face, so I am a fan of that also. Let me turn around the back so y'all can see.
Don't you leave me, I'll call it, because you said you always.
So this is where the hair stops. Hope y'all can see that.
Pick up when I call you.
And in the front, this is what we're working with. So it is true in length, which is good. And I'm going to show you all my full outfit because I know I'm going to get questions. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm not sure what the lighting is looking like. I hope that you all can actually see it. But I just have on some Converses just to create a more casual look with this nice summer dress. It's just a tank top style full dress. Yeah, so just something really comfortable. I feel like the hair complements this outfit very well. Looks really casual, chic, and just well put together. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to go back and check out all of my previous vlog videos if you haven't already. I'll also be sure to link all the details and specifications for this particular unit down in the description box. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.